Hi, today we're going to look at some types of food we eat. Food in Hausa is called
abinci, abinci,
we heard Grandpa. Food is called abinci in Hausa. Some of the food we eat,
shinkafa, shinkafa,
shinkafa is rice in Hausa.
wake, wake,
Wake is beans.
masara, masara,
Masara is maize.
dawa, dawa,
Dawa is guinea corn. Some use this for kunu and some use it for tuwo. That's a swallow.
kubewa, kubewa,
Kubewa is okra. It's used for making soup. Some people eat it with tuwo. That's swallow. Some people even eat it with rice. I wonder how that tastes anyway. But some even put butter on it and eat it like that.
gyada, gyada,
Gyada is groundnut. Some roast it to eat, some boil it, some cook soups with it, some even make candy with it by adding sugar.
kosai, kosai, ba kosai ba fa, kosai,
Kose is bean balls. Some call it akara.
kuka, kuka,
Kuka is baobab leaf used for making soup. You can eat it with tuwo. The fruit of the baobab tree is also edible. It's white and delicious.
doya, doya,
Doya is yam.
dankali, dankali,
Dankali is potato.
rogo, rogo,
Rogo is cassava. Some process it and turn it to gari, while some boil it and eat it as a snack.
gwaza, gwaza,
Waza is cocoyam.
kaɗanya, wasu suna cewa kaɗe, amma kaɗanya shine the common ones.
Gardenia is shea butter, not shea nut. Thanks for tuning in.